Okay, this makes a real good demonstration of how restrictive different filters or lack of filters are. So we have the true flow grid in there right now. The above filter has a plastic bag on it, so there's no filter area here. So the filter area that we have for this 5-ton unit, now originally, the original filter, when I first came here to this unit, they had a little 14-inch by 20-inch filter. That's it. A 14 by 20 by 1 inch thick. That's what they used to have here. I told them to put this on, and they had one of their tin guy who's down the corner make this up, and this is 2-inch thick. So let's watch this. Okay, so we're at 0.7 right now. So let me remove the true flow grid. Okay, so this is the true flow grid. Okay, so now the true flow, now there's no filter. With no filter, that's the restriction right now. And we're going across after the evaporator coil up in the plenum to here. So now let me stick a filter in. And this is not a clean filter. This filter has been used for 8 to 10 weeks and it is ready to replace. But let's put this dirty filter in here. Okay, let's look at what we have here. That's where we are without a filter in it. So I'm gonna push this filter and you're gonna watch that number climb. Okay. That is one filter. That is one filter. That's it. Now there's another filter up there that's not in look. But this is how restrictive one filter is. And that's a 2-inch filter. So now let's take this out and see what happens when we open up this filter. Now you can see the hole down in there. There's the blower fan. And look what happened to our pressure. Now that's by removing the top filter. Now remember, these are dirty filters. This one is not as dirty because it was the top filter. And let's see, this was replaced in just 11, 12, 2 months ago. Okay. So let's throw this filter. Let's see where we are. We have this big gaping hole right here, and we have this big gaping hole right here. There's no filter, there's only that lower filter in there. So now let's stick in the upper filter. And let me move this. Let me see if I can unplug this now. Let's move this so you can see it. You'll see the filter go in. So there we are. Let's put the filter in. That is the restriction. Where's my... There it goes. There we go. So that's with 2 filters. So it shows you how important. Let's cover this one filter up. So I'm putting plastic bag over the one filter. Let's not put it over 2 filters. There we go. That's one filter. You're at your limit, 0. Almost 5. And that's not even perfectly sealed. If I sealed it up, it would be back at the 0.5, the 0.5. So let's remove the bag. And that's the bag removed. Okay, and those are not even very dirty filters. Look at the size of the filter area. That's not enough filter area. Once they get dirty, they'll get a bit worse. All right, so that's a nice little test there, and you get to see. Now I wish I had the old little like the little 14-inch by 16-inch or 14-inch by 20-inch filter, 1 inch thick, and throw that inside there. Or throw some high MERV filter inside there. All right. See you guys later.